Lip liners are the unsung heroes of makeup, offering definition, enhancing the longevity of your lipstick, and preventing feathering. But with so many options, how do you find the one that's perfect for your needs? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 lip liners that deliver on precision, wearability, and versatility. Whether you're after a bold, defined look or a natural enhancement, these picks cater to every makeup style. Let's explore what makes them stand out. Kicking off our list at number 1, Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat. The Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat is a luxury lip liner designed to define and enhance your lips with precision. Known for its creamy texture and universally flattering shades, this liner is a staple in the beauty industry. Key features: the Lip Cheat boasts a waterproof formula that glides on effortlessly. It's enriched with emollients for a smooth application and provides a long-lasting finish that resists smudging and feathering. Popular shades like Pillow Talk offer versatile options for all skin tones. Benefits and usage: the creamy consistency makes it ideal for overlining your lips or pairing with your favorite lipstick. Its waterproof formula ensures that your lip color stays vibrant throughout the day. Use it as a base for lipstick or wear it alone for a matte look. Usability: with its ergonomic pencil design, the Lip Cheat is easy to use for both beginners and professionals. It sharpens easily for precise application, making it perfect for creating sharp lines or soft blends. Durability: this lip liner is celebrated for its staying power. The waterproof formula resists fading and smudging, even during meals or extended wear. It's a reliable choice for long days or special occasions. In the second spot, we have MAC Lip Pencil. The MAC Lip Pencil is a classic in the world of beauty, offering a wide range of shades to match virtually any lipstick. It's a professional-grade liner that has stood the test of time for its performance and reliability. Key features: this pencil is crafted with a smooth, non-drying formula that delivers a seamless application. It comes in an impressive variety of shades, from neutrals to bold colors, ensuring a perfect match for every look. Benefits and usage: the MAC Lip Pencil defines lips with precision, preventing lipstick from feathering or bleeding. Its versatile formula can be used to fill in lips entirely for a matte effect or layered under lipsticks for added intensity. Usability: its slightly firm texture gives you control, making it ideal for creating precise lines. It's also a favorite among makeup artists for its consistency and compatibility with different lip products. Durability: while not marketed as waterproof, the MAC Lip Pencil has impressive staying power, holding up well through wear and minor touch-ups. Its longevity makes it a go-to for daily use and special events alike. Coming in at number 3 is the NYX Slim Lip Pencil. The NYX Slim Lip Pencil is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. This cult favorite drugstore liner delivers professional results at an accessible price point. Key features: with a creamy yet firm formula, the Slim Lip Pencil glides smoothly across the lips, offering rich pigmentation. It's available in a broad spectrum of shades, from natural tones to vibrant hues. Benefits and usage: this liner is versatile enough to define your lips or fill them in completely for a long-lasting base. Its smooth texture blends easily, making it a perfect companion for lipsticks and glosses. Usability: the slim design and precise tip allow for effortless application, even for beginners. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it an excellent option for touch-ups on the go. Durability: while it may not last as long as high-end liners, the NYX Slim Lip Pencil offers decent staying power. It's particularly effective when paired with a long-wearing lipstick for extended wear. Taking our 4th spot is Huda Beauty Lip Contour. The Huda Beauty Lip Contour is a high-performance liner designed for bold, defined lips. Its ultra-pigmented formula and modern shade range make it a favorite among beauty enthusiasts. Key features: this lip liner features a creamy, matte formula that's richly pigmented for intense color payoff. It's designed to be smudge-proof and transfer-resistant, ensuring a flawless finish. Benefits and usage: the lip contour creates sharp, clean lines and can double as a full lip color thanks to its comfortable matte formula. It's perfect for creating bold looks or enhancing the natural shape of your lips. Usability. The retractable design eliminates the need for sharpening, making it convenient for travel and quick touch-ups. Its smooth texture ensures effortless application, even on dry lips. Durability. This liner is known for its long-lasting formula that stays in place throughout the day. It's ideal for events or long hours when you need your makeup to stay put without frequent reapplication. And finally, at number 5, we have Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Lip Pencil. The Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Lip Pencil is a creamy, long-wearing liner that lives up to its name. It's formulated to provide all-day color and prevent feathering for a polished look. Key features: enriched with jojoba oil and vitamin E, this liner offers a creamy texture that's comfortable to wear. Its waterproof formula ensures smudge-proof and fade-resistant performance in a variety of vibrant shades. Benefits and usage: the 24/7 Glide-On Lip Pencil can be used to line lips with precision or as a base for lipstick to enhance its longevity. Its nourishing ingredients keep lips hydrated while maintaining a matte finish. Usability: the creamy texture allows for smooth application, while its waterproof formula ensures a flawless look. It's easy to sharpen for precise lines, making it a versatile addition to any makeup routine. Durability: as the name suggests, this liner is built to last. Its waterproof formula ensures that it stays in place through meals, drinks, and long hours, making it a reliable choice for all-day wear. The right lip liner can make all the difference, transforming your lip look from good to flawless. Whether you prefer the luxury of Charlotte Tilbury or the budget-friendly NYX Slim Lip Pencil, these top 5 lip liners offer something for everyone. They excel in precision, wearability, and versatility, making them must-haves in any makeup bag. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite lip liner in the comments below. Your perfect pat awaits.